Welcome back, beauties. It's your girl Abby here. If you're new to my channel, so we're gonna be doing a home remedy, turmeric facial mask. So my face tends to tan very easily during this time of the year when the sun is coming out. So this is my go-to, my secret ingredients if you have sensitive skin like mine. So we're gonna need turmeric powder, we're gonna need gram flour, and we're gonna need rose water. So turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components, and it helps to bring your natural skin glow. It also helps to lighten your skin. Gram flour helps to tan, remove. It helps to reduce oiliness. If you have very dry skin, it also helps your skin. You can use it as an exfoliant. You can use it as in your body scrub, and it grates on your skin. It helps your skin to look very, very youthful. So rose water also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory component also. It helps to tighten your pores. If your pores tend to clog, it helps eliminate that, and also help with blackheads. It is very, very gentle on your skin. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So basically, to leave your skin very youthful and vibrant. So all I'm doing now is to eyeball and scoop a little bit of the turmeric and also the gram flour. Since I'm using this on my face, I'm not mixing too much of the paste, but if you intend to apply this on your skin, you can go ahead and mix enough as you need, right? So all I'll be doing is to mix my paste with the rose water. So my skin is also sensitive with lemon, so I'm not going to apply lemon, but lemon also can help remove black marks and dark circles. So you can go ahead and mix your paste or your mixture with lemon and also with honey. I'm gonna come and do another tutorial with honey and probably diverse ways that can help you with the particular problem. So my problem is to do away with the tan and also help my skin glow naturally, right? So this is really great if you intend to do away with tan, also with youthful face, right? I work a lot in the night and I always need a remedy that can help my skin look alive, right? And this is very simple, nothing really fancy, nothing much. Very, very simple, 3 easy ingredients, and that's all you're gonna need. So all you need to do is to mix your paste into the right consistency, not runny and not very, very, very thick, right? A medium consistency. And all we're gonna do is to apply it on the face, leave it to dry for 15 minutes or more, and then we go ahead to wash it off with warm water and also wash with your regular cleanser to cleanse all the turmeric away from your face. Turmeric can stain your skin, guys, so you might want to be cautious wherever you're mixing it, and then also make sure you are not messing up with it. So all I'm doing now is to apply this on my face generously, and I'm using a makeup brush. You can use a max applicator, right? But I have a makeup brush, so that's all I'm going to use, and I'm applying this all over my face, avoiding the eye area always. It shouldn't get into your eye, guys. It can really irritate your eye. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, leave it to just dry for 15 minutes, and we go ahead and wash it off. We're gonna be waiting for 15 minutes until we see it's all dried up, and we're gonna wash it off. So I'll come back. So guys, my face is all dried up after 15 minutes, and I'm simply just gonna wash off with warm water. So you make sure you have this very dry, face. So let's go ahead and wash. So now I've finished washing with warm water, and to cleanse and clear all the turmeric off my face, I'm using my daily cleanser to go over it with my cleansing foam. So there we have it. There is my face all cleaned up. I mean, better than before, guys. There was a cast of texture on my face, but I think it's pretty much all right. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. Until we meet next time. God bless.